Hey Avery, remember when we made that song in 8th grade?
Oh yeah. That was a great song. Do you remember it?
Yeah. Plug it in, makes you babies really thin. If you wanna get it in, plug it in, Ha ha.
Ha 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 ha, that's so funny that you remember. How are you and Justin, do you guys still have a thing?
Yeah, we so do. We are getting married soon. Ha 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 L.O.L.
That's not weird, ha ha. Guess what?
What? Wait. Do I even wanna know?
Ha ha. Yeah, you do. I have to poop. L.O.L. Remember the day at the track when I pooped, ha ha.
Oh. Avery? Why are you so weird?
Fart. I farted on an